In the heart of ancient Chinese mythology, there lived an emperor unlike any other. His influence and legacy have transcended time, leaving an indelible mark on the culture and traditions of China. His name was Shennong, revered as the divine farmer. He was not just a ruler, but a visionary who transformed the way people lived and interacted with the natural world. He is a cornerstone of Chinese civilization, a figure whose contributions laid the foundation for many aspects of daily life. His teachings and discoveries are still celebrated and respected today. Shennong is credited with two foundational gifts: agriculture and herbal medicine. He taught his people how to cultivate the land, ensuring a stable food supply, and he explored the healing properties of plants, creating remedies that alleviated suffering. His story blends myth and history, reflecting the deep respect the Chinese people have for these practices. Through his wisdom, he bridged the gap between the mystical and the practical, making profound contributions to both. Shennong's legend speaks to the transformative power of knowledge. He observed nature closely, learning from its rhythms and cycles. His curiosity and dedication led to discoveries that changed the course of history. He sought solutions to human suffering, experimenting with hundreds of herbs to find cures for various ailments. His work laid the groundwork for traditional Chinese medicine, a practice that continues to thrive. His story continues to inspire generations. The values he embodied, curiosity, compassion, and innovation, are timeless, resonating with people across different eras and cultures. Shennong embodies the spirit of innovation and compassion that defines early Chinese culture. His legacy is a testament to the enduring power of knowledge and the profound impact one individual can have on the world. Shennong's birth story is shrouded in the mystical, a tale passed down through generations. Legend says his mother, a princess of great beauty and virtue, was visited by a celestial dragon one fateful night. This divine union between the princess and the celestial dragon resulted in Shennong's miraculous conception. Shennong was born with the head of a bull and the body of a man, a unique form that set him apart from birth. This extraordinary appearance hinted at his destined connection to agriculture and the natural world. His name, Shennong, means divine farmer, a title that reflects his pivotal role in the development of early Chinese society. As the divine farmer, Shennong introduced the practice of agriculture, teaching people how to cultivate the land and grow crops. He was revered as a demigod, a being of immense power and wisdom, bridging the gap between the divine and the mortal. Shennong possessed immense wisdom and compassion, guiding his people with a gentle yet firm hand. His reign marked a turning point in human history as he laid the foundations for a settled, agrarian society. Under Shennong's guidance, people transitioned from a nomadic lifestyle to settled farming communities, leading to the growth of early Chinese civilization. Shennong is also credited with the discovery of medicinal herbs, testing hundreds of plants to understand their healing properties. His extensive knowledge of herbs and their uses was documented in ancient texts, forming the basis of traditional Chinese medicine. Through his innovations in agriculture and medicine, Shennong significantly improved the quality of life for his people, fostering a thriving and prosperous society. His legacy is celebrated in Chinese culture to this day, with festivals and rituals honoring his contributions to humanity. The impact of Shennong's teachings can still be seen in modern-day China, where agriculture remains a vital part of life. Temples dedicated to Shennong stand as a testament to his enduring influence and the deep respect he commands. Shennong's mythic origins and his profound contributions continue to inspire and shape the cultural heritage of China. Before Shennong, people lived as nomads. They hunted animals for food, they gathered wild plants. Life was uncertain, food was scarce. Shennong observed the natural world. He saw the potential for a different way of life. He discovered the secrets of sowing seeds. He taught his people to cultivate crops. This knowledge revolutionized their existence. Agriculture brought stability. It allowed people to settle in one place. Villages grew into towns, then cities. Agriculture became the bedrock of Chinese civilization. Shennong's legacy as the divine farmer was secured. Shennong did more than just teach people to farm. He understood the importance of tools. He invented the plow. This invention made tilling the land more efficient. He designed irrigation systems. These systems ensured crops had enough water. These innovations increased food production. People no longer worried about going hungry. They had time for other pursuits. This led to the development of art, music, and other aspects of culture. Shennong's contributions laid the groundwork for a thriving civilization. Section 5. A Stomach for Discovery, Shennong's Herbal Experiments. Shennong's curiosity extended beyond agriculture. He was fascinated by plants. He wanted to understand their properties. He had a unique ability. His stomach was transparent. He could see the effects of plants on his body. He embarked on a daring quest. He tasted hundreds of plants. He identified those that were edible. He categorized those that were poisonous. He discovered the healing properties of herbs. His courage and curiosity laid the foundation for traditional Chinese medicine. Section 6. Tasting the world, identifying edible and medicinal plants. Shennong's experiments were not without risk. Legend has it that he poisoned himself 70 times in one day. Each time, he found an antidote in another plant. These experiences allowed him to differentiate between food and medicine. He discovered tea. He recognized its stimulating and detoxifying properties. He identified herbs for treating various ailments. His knowledge formed the basis of early Chinese medical practices. Shennong's bravery and sacrifice saved countless lives. Section 7. The Shennong Bencao Jing, a legacy written in herbs. Shennong's vast knowledge needed to be shared. He compiled his findings in a book. This book is called the Shennong Bencao Jing. It is also known as the Divine Farmer's Herb Root Classic. This work is considered the cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. The book lists 365 herbs. It describes their properties and uses. It categorizes them based on their potency. The Shennong Bencao Jing became a vital resource for healers and physicians. It ensured Shennong's knowledge would be passed down through generations. Section 8. Classifying the world of plants. The 3 grades of herbs. In the Shennong Bencao Jing, herbs are classified into 3 grades. The superior grade comprises herbs that promote health and longevity. They are generally safe for long-term use. The middle grade includes herbs that address specific ailments. They can have stronger effects. The inferior grade consists of potent herbs. These herbs are used to treat serious conditions. This sophisticated classification system reflects the depth of Shennong's understanding of herbal medicine. It provided a framework for safe and effective herbal practices. Section 9. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Practices, Shennong's Influence on Agriculture. Shennong's legacy extends far beyond ancient China. His impact on agriculture is undeniable. He transformed the way humans interact with nature. His invention of the plow revolutionized farming. His irrigation techniques increased crop yields. These innovations continue to influence modern agriculture. They paved the way for the development of advanced farming practices that feed the world today. Shennong's spirit of innovation resonates with farmers across the globe. Section 10. A Holistic Approach, Shennong's Enduring Legacy in Herbal Medicine. Shennong's influence on medicine is equally profound. He laid the foundation for traditional Chinese medicine. This holistic system focuses on restoring balance within the body. It views illness as a disharmony between internal and external forces. The Shennong Bencao Jing remains a valuable resource for practitioners. It provides a framework for understanding the properties and uses of herbs. Shennong's emphasis on natural remedies continues to inspire modern herbal medicine practices worldwide. Section 11. Honoring the Divine Farmer, Shennong's Place in Chinese History. Shennong's story is a testament to the power of observation, innovation, and compassion. Known as the Divine Farmer, Shennong is credited with teaching the ancient Chinese people the practices of agriculture and herbal medicine. His contributions laid the foundation for a society that thrived on sustainable farming and natural healing. He is more than just a mythical figure. Shennong is a symbol of the profound connection between humans and nature. His teachings emphasize the importance of understanding the land and its resources, which allowed the Chinese civilization to flourish. He represents the ingenuity and resilience of the Chinese people. Through his experiments with various plants, Shennong identified hundreds of medicinal herbs, many of which are still used in traditional Chinese medicine today. His work in agriculture ensured that people could cultivate crops efficiently, leading to food security and prosperity. His legacy continues to inspire generations of farmers, healers, and innovators. The principles he established are still relevant, guiding modern agricultural practices and herbal medicine. Shennong's influence can be seen in the way contemporary farmers and herbalists approach their work, blending ancient wisdom with modern techniques. Even today, festivals are held in his honor. These celebrations are a testament to his enduring impact on Chinese culture. During these festivals, people come together to celebrate the harvest, share knowledge about herbal medicine, and pay homage to Shennong's contributions. People pay tribute to the divine farmer who shaped their civilization. Offerings are made at shrines and statues dedicated to Shennong, reflecting the deep respect and gratitude that people have for his teachings and legacy. Shennong's story reminds us that even the most profound advancements are rooted in a deep respect for nature and a desire to improve human life. His life and work serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of living in harmony with the environment and continually seeking ways to enhance the well-being of society.